Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you are all having a good time. Today we will make egg stew. In this recipe, along with eggs, I have added potatoes as well. This goes well with appam, idiyappam, roti and rice varieties. Here I have taken a mud pot to cook. Into the pot, add coconut oil or sunflower oil. 1 medium-sized onion, finely chopped, goes in. Add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder and half a teaspoon of pepper powder. This much of ginger, which comes to about 2 inches, finely chopped, goes in. In this recipe, I am not adding garlic. You may add 3 to 4 garlic pods, finely chopped. Also, add 5 to 6 green chilies. As I had mentioned earlier, 1 big boiled potato, roughly chopped, goes in. Along with a small piece of carrot. Now add 2 cups of second extract of coconut milk. Here I have used 3/4 of a coconut to get the first and second extract. Add salt. Now cover and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes or until it starts to boil. Add boiled eggs along with 1 medium-sized tomato, roughly chopped. Cover and cook until the tomatoes turn mushy. By this time, all other vegetables will get cooked completely. Here I am again adding half a teaspoon of garam masala. So totally I have added 1 teaspoon. Adjust according to your preference and the garam masala that you are using. Now add the first extract of coconut milk, which comes to 1.5 cups. I like the flavor of pepper in the gravy, so adding some more pepper powder. Adjust the spice accordingly. If you have curry leaves, add generously. As soon as bubbles start to appear, switch off the flame and transfer it onto a serving dish. How to make vellappam is already uploaded. I will give the link in the description box below. Hope you liked this video. See you soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.